Yes. A lot consists of 144 pens, of which 20 are defective and other are good. Okay. Noori will buy a pen if it is good. Only when Noori can buy it when pen is good, and will not buy if pen is defective. So whenever pen defective, Noori will not buy that pen. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. Okay, what is the probability that? First question, she will buy, and second part, she will not buy. Okay, first of all, total number of pens it is given to you. Total number of pens are 144, it is 144. Then number of defective pens are 20. Here is number of defective pens are 20. Then how many are good pens? When you subtract it, 144 minus 20, this will be 124. Okay, then first point, she will buy. When she will buy? Whenever pen is good. So, probability of buying the pen, number of good pens upon total number of pens. Pens are 144. Okay, when you cut by 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. Okay, then you cut by 4, 4 3s are 12, and here is 24. So 4 6s are 24. This is your answer first. Then second part, she will not buy. When she will not buy? Pens are 20. Defective pens are 20. Here, number of defective pens upon total number of pens. Number of defective pens are how many? 20. So 20 is here, and here is 144. Cut by 4. 4 5s are 20, and 4 3s are 12. 4 6s are 34. 5 on 36. Yes. Two dice are drawn at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. I have two dice. I am rolling it down, and I have to write all possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of two numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, and one probability is given to you. Probability of coming to is 1 upon 36, and you have to fill these blanks. Okay, for that what to do? I have two dice, one dice I have written like horizontal and one is vertical. Now I am going to write sample space, or I am going to find out the possible outcomes. See here, 1, 1, then 1, 2, 1, 3, like this. Getting 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, like this. Come on, second term, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then last step, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. Okay, now I have to fill. When sum will become 3, okay, sum will become 3. How many 3 is coming? See, sum of 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. This is 3. How many times? 1, 2. And here total number of outcomes are 36. Total outcomes 36. Okay. After that you see what is happening. 3. How many sum 3 is coming? 2 times. This is 2 upon, and total number of outcomes are 36. When 4 is coming how many times? 3 and 1 4, 2 and 2 4, and 3 and 1 4. 3 times, 3 upon 36. Very clear. Then 5. 5. Here is again 5 and here is again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Probability of sum coming 5 is 4 times. 4 upon 36. Then when 6 will come, sum of these two 6 will come. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 6 is coming. So 5 upon 36. Then when sum 7 will come, here they go 7, again 7, 47, 4, 3, 7, 5, 2, 7 and 6, 1, 7. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 upon 36. When 8 will come, 2, 6, 8, 3, 5, 8, 4, 4, 8, 5, 3, 8, 6, 2, 8. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 upon 36. 9 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Clear? Getting 4 times. This is 4 upon 36. What is 10? 10 you check it. 4, 6, 5, 5 and 6, 4. 3 times. Okay. 11. 1 and 1 2 times. And 12. That is 6 and 6. 1 time only. This is 1 time only. Okay, this is your first part. Yes. Second part is, a student argues that there are 11 possible outcomes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. Therefore, each of them has a probability 1 upon 11. Do you agree with this argument? Justify your answer. See here, what will the answer is, there are the sums 2 to 12. They are not equally likely. That is why you will not get probability 1 upon 11 every time. Okay, this is the thing. Yes. Next question is, a game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result. It means all 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. First of all, what to do? You have to find out total number of outcomes. How can we get it? We have one formula. How many times the coin tossed? Okay, this is n. And how many outcomes generally? Head and tail, 2. So we can write 2 power 3. This is 2 power 3. This is 8. Okay, and how can we get it? See here. 1 rupee coin 3 times. Let's say first time is HHH. Then you make it like HHT. Interchange T then. Like this. Again interchange T. These are the possible conditions. Then let's say if all are like this. Then make it last one is H. Then interchange. This is T only. This is H and T. Okay, then change H here. H, T, T. Total numbers are 4 and 4, 8. Okay. Then probability that you have to find probability. But how many number of times Hanif lose the game? Let me see. We have to find how many number of times. Okay, total are 8. 8 in these 2 times Hanif can win, otherwise he will lose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then what is the probability for losing the game of Hanif? 6 upon 8, this is 3 upon 4, this is your answer. Yes. A die is thrown, what is the probability that 5 will not come up either time and 5 will come up? Okay, for that you have to make it one sample space like this. I have made it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcomes on one die and second outcome of the other die. And like this 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Like this way you have to make it all these possible outcomes. You will get 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. See, total number of 36 outcomes you will get it. Okay, now you have to check 5 will not come either time. What we are going to see how many times 5 is coming. See, 5 is coming here. 5 is coming on this block. Okay, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times 5 is coming. So how many times 5 is not coming? 36 minus 11, this is 25. Okay, then what will be the probability? 5 will not come probability. Number of favorable outcomes for not coming and total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes are 25. 25 upon 36. Then 5, how many times 5 is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 11 upon 36. This is your